Are you with me, brother and sister? Qaratul Qur'ana. Translation, Sister Aisha? I read the Quran. See, now things are getting more interesting. You are using your mafulun being and understanding it, inshallah. Sister Maimuna, kahwatu. Sharibtu kahwata, mashallah. Sharibtu kahwata. Or you can say, Shariba Hamidun kahwata, whatever you want to say. But that was your sentence, absolutely correct. Where is the verb? Sharib. Only sharib with sukun. Huh? Okay, and tu is the fa'il. Sister Nasreen, tufahu. Yeah, what did you say? Akala at-tufaha. Translation? MashaAllah. See? Akala tufaha. He ate the apple. Akaltu, I ate. But when you say akala tufaha, he ate the apple. Where is the file? Where is the file? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa khalas. Sister Mehraz. Fatahtu al-baba. I opened the door. Or you can say, you can change the file. Instead of we saying tu all the time, you can say Fatahat Aminatu al-baba. Or Fatah al-waladu al-baba. The boy opened the door. Something, you have a choice. But when you say Fatahtu al-baba, it's absolutely correct. Nusrat? You are asking, or she's asking a question. Afahimta darsa? What is the translation? Did you understand the lesson? MashaAllah. Afahimta darsa? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Where is the fi'al? Fahim with sukun. Where is the fa'il? Ta. And where is mafulun bihi? Darsa. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Brother Hassan. Al-Kami? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Ghasalat ummi al-Kamisa. Translation, brother?
My mother washed the shirt.
MashaAllah, beautiful. See, my mother washed the shirt. Where is the fi'al? Where is the verb? Ghasala. And what is the next thing? Ta'utanisi. Ta'utani. Where is the fa'il? Ummu. Ummi is two words. Ummi is compound. And what kind of a compound is this? Mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. So if we have to choose one of the word as a file. Okay? So what is the where is the file? Ummu. Wahuwa mudaf, and then ya mutakallim mudaf ilayhi. And al-kami sa maf'ulun bihi. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. I think we will take a short break. Brothers and sisters, we start now. Now we are learning another very, very important rule, brothers and sisters. So I will write down something on the board, brother? Okay. What did I say, brothers and sisters? At-talibu Zahaba ilal fasli. Translation? Classroom. What is that talibu, brothers and sisters? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Jumla fi'liya is the khabar. Al-jumlatul fi'liyatu is the khabar. Fine. If I say at-talibu, mubtada, then what is zahaba? Fi'al. Where is the fa'il? Mustatir. Taqdiruhu huwa. Yadullu ala talib. Huh? It is pointing out to, indicating it to the talib. Now I say at-talibani. So what does it now means? Two students. At-talibani is now mubtada. Is it marfu? Yes. What is the sign of its marfu? Alif, mashallah. Why? Because it is dual. Okay. And then I have to put a proper verb. Are you with me? So, zahaba. Okay. Where is the verb? Zahaba. Where is the file? Alif, mashallah. Huh? Now I say to you, at-tullabu zahabu ilal fasli. What is at-tullabu? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Jumla failure. What is zahabu? Zahabu without waw is your fi'al. And where is the file? Waw. Huh? See, this is your fi'al and this is your file. Huh? I should not do this way. And then I keep the alif outside. Huh? Okay. By the way, what is this alif? Now I can explain you. What is noon? Nunu vikaya. What is this alif? Alifu vikaya. It protects the vav. See, before we could not go in detail. Now this is alifu vikaya. Huh? It protects the verb. Okay, vav, especially vav. Okay, brother. At-tullabu. What is at-tullabu? Mubtada. Where is the news? Zahabu ilal fasli. So that is your jumla failure coming as a khabar. Where is the verb? Zahabu, without waw. And where is the file? Al-waw. Now you see, when the mubtada starts, then you bring an appropriate word form to match the mubtada. Huh? Okay? Fine. Now we change it, brother. So I say to you, Zahaba Talibu ilal fasli. What kind of a sentence is this now? What kind of a sentence was this? Jumla ismiya. Now we start straight away jumla failure. Where is the verb? Where is the file? Talibu. Now I have to say here Talibani. Two students are going. Now what kind of a verb I use? Shall I say Zahaba? Because there are two students? No, I will still say Zahaba. What happened if I said Zahaba Atalibani? If I say Zahaba, then there is a file in Alif, there is a file as a Alif, and there is a file here. How can you have two files? So we have to use a singular verb. Okay? Now we say at-tullabu. What kind of verb shall I use? What form of verb? Again Zahaba. Okay? Many of you will be tempted to say Zahabu at-tullabu. But you will be tempted because you say it's a jama, so I use jama. If you say Zahabu at-tullabu, brothers and sisters, you got a file here and you got a file here. You can't have two files in a sentence. So what do we understand out of it? We understand out of it that if you start a new sentence, what did I say? You start a brand new sentence, and if the verb is in third person, What kind of a verb is in third person, brother?